Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Janae, and today I am starring my beautiful baby girl. She's a 2-year-old toddler, A. Marie. And today I am just showing you guys how I tackle down her scalp doing these feed-in braids with beads. This is just a style idea for a toddler girl. So if you enjoy content like this, definitely leave a comment below so that I can keep bringing you guys content like this. I fast forward the video because this style took me 2 hours to do, but this is more of a satisfying video. So please enjoy. I'm not going to do too much talking. I'm going to let you guys see this art of work.